Hey guys, I'm Vivek. Welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm here to talk about the price action of Chemomab Therapeutics Limited, ticker symbol is CMMB, and we can see that the closing price of this stock was about $20, and after hours it has gone as high as $28, which is about 40% gain. And now let us understand why this stock has gained so much. The first reason is that it is an extremely low volume stock. The shares that are available are about 10 million, and because the float is low, this kind of price action is very much possible. Now let us understand if there was any strong news. So we can see that there is a news about this stock which was announced today in the morning at 7 a.m. that Chemomab announces poster presentation at the International Liver Congress 2021, and the presentation would be performed on 23rd June 2021. Now, this particular news was released in the morning, and that didn't had a significant impact on the stock price during the daytime, but after hours it had a significant impact. Now, let us understand the price action of this particular stock. Now, to understand the price action, I am on the tradingview.com and we are looking into the weekly time interval. Now, we can see that the stock has seen a high of around $170 on 8 Feb 2021, and after that it has seen a low of around $15. So this clearly indicates that this particular stock is an extremely volatile stock. Now let us understand the support that this stock will be having. So the lowest that this stock has gone is around $9.42. So this is one of the support that it is having, and this 15.41 has been a support for a fair bit of time and has taken support again and started moving higher. So I believe that 15.41 would be a very strong support. Now let us understand the resistance that the stock is going to have. First resistance would be this blue line, which is the 200 EMA on a daily time interval, that is 31.32. So this is the first resistance that this stock would be having. The second resistance that it is going to face is 34.42. The third is 40.23, and the next one is 46.61. Now, on the 4-hour time interval, we can clearly see that this stock has broken the resistance of 25.97 and has closed at around $28. So the next target that this stock would be having would be around $34. Now, one thing that we need to understand is that if we see the volume increasing in this stock, then we can definitely see that the price would go on increasing and we can see the higher level of 46.61. However, this particular stock would be an extremely risky play. Because of the volatility that this stock is having, I would rather stay away from this particular stock, and there are few important signals that indicate that the price action is bearish. The sign is that we can see this blue line, which is the 200 EMA on the daily time interval, and this orange line, which is the 50 EMA on the daily time interval, and the 50 EMA has crossed this 200 EMA. Therefore, I believe that the chances that the price holding the gains for a longer time are extremely low, and that is the reason I would rather avoid short term as well as long term entry in this stock. Before signing out, I would like to make a disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor and the discussion on this video is for training and educational purpose. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.